Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Windows Pro/Enterprise or WSL2 on Home, then install Docker Desktop. Once installed, enable WSL2 integration and choose your Ubuntu WSL2 distro. Make sure you update packages inside WSL2 so the kernel and tools match Docker Desktop expectations. You should allocate resources conservatively at first. Docker will share CPUs and memory with WSL2. This ensures containers run natively and avoids Hyper-V conflicts. Begin by launching Docker Desktop and verifying the whale icon shows running. Once Docker Desktop is running, configure it to use the WSL2 backend and select your Ubuntu distro so Docker CLI operates inside WSL2. Open the WSL2 shell and run docker pull to fetch an image, then docker run with P to expose ports and V to mount volumes. Make sure to run docker ps to confirm containers are active. You do this inside WSL2 because it provides native Linux file system performance and removes expensive VM layers, improving I/O and startup times. To finalize, convert repeatable setups into Docker Compose. Iml and run Docker Compose up from your WSL2 project folder. This keeps volumes consistent. Test endpoints from Windows using localhost, port when ports are mapped. If something fails, check Docker logs for container output and Docker inspect for network and mount details. If Docker Desktop behaves oddly, run WSL shutdown to reset WSL2 and then restart Docker Desktop. This often clears stale mounts and network hiccups. One key tip, always
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.